let me ask you this. In the $50,000 price for the initial Casita, is the delivery and installation included in that, or is that separate?
No, that's not included. But what we've done with the delivery is we've made it so we've lowered the cost. The Casita is lightweight enough to be pulled with a pickup truck rather than a big rig, which is a completely different price range.
Structure.
Yeah, so that helps.
Perfect. Okay, good. And then does Boxable come with like any sort of guarantee, like a 1 year manufacturer guarantee, or like almost like a car, how they offer like a certain type of guarantee when it in yeah.
Yes, absolutely. And I just want to tell you what that I want to tell you the number for that guarantee. We're working through it now. I think heads will explode when we give what the guarantee is. How many years we will guarantee this home for will seem completely unbelievable to the marketplace. And I'm desperate to want to tell you, but I don't want our senior management or my business partner to get upset with me. So I'll keep my mouth shut on that one.
It sounds like
it'll be blown away. We'll be very happy to provide it.
It sounds like the customer, it's in the best benefit of the customers, basically. Like it's built so well that you guys are willing to put your name behind it, basically, because of of how it's being built.
Yeah, we are all about the customer. The customer is number one. Yeah, the customer.
Love that.